Space exploration has always captured the human imagination. From the earliest days of stargazing to the modern era of space travel, the idea of venturing beyond our planet has been a source of wonder and inspiration. We yearn to break free from Earth's gravity and venture into the unknown. The allure of discovering new worlds and the possibility of encountering alien life forms drive our quest for knowledge and exploration. But venturing into the cosmos presents countless challenges. The vast distances, the harsh environments, and the need for sustainable life support systems are just a few of the obstacles that must be overcome. One of the most critical is how we will sustain life in the harsh and unforgiving environment of space. Without the resources we take for granted on Earth, such as air, water, and food, long-term survival in space would be impossible. This is where astrobotany comes in. Astrobotany is the study of plant life in extraterrestrial environments. It involves understanding how plants can grow and thrive in conditions vastly different from those on Earth. Astrobotany is the study of plant life in extraterrestrial environments. Scientists are exploring how plants can adapt to microgravity, limited sunlight, and other unique challenges of space. It is essentially the art and science of growing plants in space. By experimenting with different growing techniques, such as hydroponics and aeroponics, researchers are finding ways to cultivate crops without soil. This field is crucial for enabling long-duration space missions and potentially even colonizing other planets. The ability to grow food in space would reduce the need for resupply missions from Earth, making space travel more sustainable. Imagine a future where astronauts grow their own food on Mars. Greenhouses on the Red Planet could provide fresh produce, ensuring a steady supply of nutrients for the crew, or where plants help terraform a barren planet, making it habitable for humans. By introducing plant life, we could transform the atmosphere and create a more Earth-like environment. That's the promise of astrobotany. The research being conducted today lays the groundwork for a future where humans can live and thrive beyond our home planet. The success of future space exploration hinges on our ability to grow plants outside of Earth. This not only ensures a food supply, but also supports life support systems. Plants are not just a source of food. They are also vital for producing oxygen, removing carbon dioxide, and maintaining air quality. They play a crucial role in closed-loop life support systems, and even providing psychological comfort to astronauts far from home. The presence of greenery can have a calming effect, reducing stress and improving overall well-being in the isolated and confined environment of space. One of the most intriguing aspects of astrobotany is understanding how plants grow in the absence of gravity, a condition known as microgravity. This unique environment presents a fascinating challenge for scientists and researchers. On Earth, plants have evolved to use gravity as a cue for growth direction. This gravitational force helps them determine which way to send their roots and shoots. Roots grow down, anchoring the plant and seeking water and nutrients, while shoots grow up, reaching for sunlight to perform photosynthesis. But in space, this gravitational pull is almost non-existent. The absence of gravity means that plants cannot rely on this natural cue. Early experiments in space, like those conducted on the International Space Station, showed that plants could indeed grow in microgravity. These experiments were crucial in understanding plant behavior in such an environment. However, they often exhibited unusual growth patterns, such as roots growing in random directions. This randomness posed a significant challenge for ensuring healthy plant development. Further research revealed that plants rely on other cues, such as light, to orient themselves in microgravity. Light became a critical factor in guiding their growth direction. This discovery led to the development of specialized lighting systems designed to guide plant growth in space. These advanced systems use LED lights to simulate the natural cues that plants would normally receive from gravity on Earth, ensuring they grow properly, even in the challenging conditions of space. Growing plants in the vacuum of space requires creating artificial environments that mimic the conditions plants need to thrive. This is no small feat, as space presents a unique set of challenges that are vastly different from those on Earth. This means providing the right temperature, humidity, and atmospheric pressure. Each of these factors must be meticulously controlled to ensure that plants can grow healthily and produce the necessary oxygen and food for astronauts. These controlled environments, often called space greenhouses, are designed to optimize plant growth while using minimal resources, a critical factor in space travel. Space greenhouses often utilize hydroponic systems which allow plants to grow without soil, using nutrient-rich water instead. Light is a crucial factor in plant growth. Without adequate light, plants cannot perform photosynthesis, the process by which they convert light energy into chemical energy. In space, where sunlight is either absent or filtered through spacecraft windows, artificial lighting becomes essential. This lighting must be carefully calibrated to provide the right wavelengths of light that plants need for photosynthesis. LED lights, particularly those emitting red and blue wavelengths, have proven to be highly effective for growing plants in space. These specific wavelengths are crucial because they are the most efficiently absorbed by plant chlorophyll, driving the photosynthesis process. These lights are energy efficient, generate minimal heat, and can be customized to provide the specific light spectrum that different plants need. This customization allows for the fine-tuning of light conditions to match the growth requirements of various plant species, ensuring optimal growth and productivity in the challenging environment of space.
Like and subscribe to start your journey today.